Welcome back to another cleaning video. Today we are testing out some new floor products I'm really excited about. I wanted to share some that I already have with you. It is 8 o'clock on a Tuesday night, so my lipstick is worn down, my makeup's worn down, my hair's a little bit funky, but this is real life, and this is when I, as a mom, have the opportunity to do my floors, is when my kids are both asleep. My husband is upstairs preoccupied with other things, and so right now I am Swiffering in conjunction with my little floor robot. I wanted to show you how good it is at sucking things up. So about 90% of what was just in front of it was sucked up. I love this thing, I really do. I was fortunate enough to have the opportunity to buy this as an open boxed product. As it stands, it's not very expensive. It's a very affordable robot vacuum. If you were interested in ever getting one and you didn't want to spend maybe the $500 that the iRobot's Roomba, is that what it's called, is going for, you probably could save a little bit of money. I love this thing as a floor vacuum. However, it is a vacuum and mop combo. The mop function is actual garbage. It just doesn't do anything. You have like a water tank that you fill up, and a little like soft cloth that attaches to the bottom, and it just doesn't do anything. The water doesn't go out evenly, and I'm wondering if maybe that is why it was returned, even though it said open box. I don't know. So many theories, so many conspiracies, who knows. So like I said, it is amazing as a vacuum. I love the fact that I can turn this on at night. It doesn't bother my dog. As you can see, she is just not giving it the time of day. So what I'm really excited about tonight to try, I have tried so many lazy ways of doing my floors. My bottom floor, like the layout, the floor itself is huge, and so it's a lot for one person to take on. I should have known that. I was just so excited to have my own house that I didn't care at the time, but now that I've been in here a couple months, I'm getting really tired of mopping. So I tried the lazy way with the robot, didn't work. I tried a mop where you spray and it's attached to the mop, and I picked that up at Target. It feels like I'm just pushing the dirt around when I'm doing this much square footage on the bottom floor. I've decided that I'm not gonna get rid of it. I'm gonna keep it upstairs, and that it's okay for like my bathroom, that's not very big. The laundry room, the kids' bathroom, not very big, so you're not pushing a lot of dirt around. This, however, I have all of that real estate up there. You open up and it's all of this kitchen area, all of that area, all of this. It's a lot of real estate to cover. So what I did is I went onto Amazon after watching Missy from the Welder's Wife. If you haven't gone to subscribe to her, please do so. Her channel is amazing. She caters to the everyday woman, and she has recipes, she has budgeting, she has cleaning, she has organization, she has DIY. Her and I kind of ride the same line when it comes to like content on YouTube. Her and I are interested in a lot of the same things, and so she did a ultimate clean with me, and it was almost, I want to say, her entire house. And I love speed cleans. There is nothing, there's a lot of things greater than a speed clean, but I really enjoy a speed clean. I've said this many times on my channel, and so I've done quite a few of them. I used to do operation organization, and so anyways, when I was watching her video, she got out this bad boy. So this is called the Cedar Microfiber Easy Ring Spin Mop and Bucket System. So it does come with a mop head, microfiber, and then this adjustable handle that's pretty big, and then you have the bucket, and then the spin system, which comes with this nice little kick, like pedal, and this is what spins out the water. It gives you a little indicator of how full to how much water to put in your bucket. I can't talk. So we're gonna try this out in addition to a new cleaning product. Oh, sounds like my thing's done, my iRobot. So we're gonna try this. This is the Pledge Concentrate Multi-Surface Floor Cleaner Concentrate, excuse me. And what drew me to it was the streak-free, residue-free, because of the color of my floor, which is this beautiful gray that's just shows everything. If I knew then what I know now, I would not have chosen this floor. I really wish I would have done like hardwood or something of that nature. I know that comes with its own territory as well, but I don't know, guys, this tile floor is getting to me. So I wanted to show you my little iRobot is indicating that it is done. It has covered the floor. I thought I would share with you all the nastiness that it has picked up. It is really nice because it comes with a 2 filters, so you're not gonna, I don't know, it's just nice that it's not gonna get all nasty. So you have this filter, which you can vacuum both of these out actually with the vacuum, which is what I did today. So just to give you an idea of like all the things it picks up, like look at all of that dog hair. This is essential when you have a dog pet. So I did run this earlier today around, I want to say like 3 or 4 o'clock. I just put it on at 7, so it ran a complete hour, and this is an additional load that it picked up off my floor. I wanted to make sure everything was picked up before I mopped, so I'm not, again, spreading dirt around. So empty this out and let's get mopping. So it says for every gallon to add 1/4 cup of concentrate, and I'm just gonna eyeball it. I'm not gonna pour all this into a measuring cup and run the risk of any nasty chemicals being left on. All right, so we are at the fill line, exactly. Thank God for sink heads that move. Concentrate that I did pick up has a very nice, subtle scent. I believe it's like rain shower or something like that, but it smells really nice. So let's do the first dip together. Oh, yes, yes. That is so stinking cool. I can't even. No way. Like, it's a legit mop. This is bringing me back to my busboy days. Bus girl. Wow. This is nice. This is very nice. It's easy. I feel like I'm definitely getting the gunk off, because it still has quite a bit of water on there, which I'm not mad at. Like, I'd rather have it be more wet than dry. Let's go in the bathroom. Yes. I feel like this is going a lot quicker as well than my lazy way of trying to do the push mop, where it's, you have to like just keep squeezing and squeezing and squeezing the handle to get all the product out. Let's see how much dirt we've picked up. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow, 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 wow. I don't know if that's picking up as good on camera, but let's keep mopping. Okay, so I just mopped up where Kaya sleeps, who you just saw, and she's a big slob. She's a bulldog. She can't help it. It's not her fault, but it doesn't change the fact how disgusting she really is. So I'm gonna change the water because it is actually looking pretty grimy, which makes me happy because that means that it's actually doing something. It's not just pushing the dirt around, it's actually picking it up. And like I said, it's been a while since I've like truly mopped it properly. It's the way it should be done. So we're gonna change the water. Rain shower is the scent and it smells great. I can actually smell it in my house, but it's, like I said, not overpowering at all. That was pretty grimy stuff. Honestly, I don't even think you need a quarter of a cup because that's gonna go by pretty quick. If you're using a quarter of a cup every single time, it's a lot. It actually is drying spot free. That's amazing. So, final thoughts on this cedar spin easy ring. Couple pros, couple cons. Number one, I wish that the stick was a little bit long. Right where the plastic ends on this piece is where like you would use extra force for like stains or, you know, a little bit of stickier things on the floor. So I feel like, I don't know, I just wonder about my ladies that are a little bit taller. I absolutely love the ease of lifting and moving it. It's not on wheels or anything, you do have to lift it, but somehow the water and spin bucket like balance each other out perfectly, and the fact that it gives you a max line, like you're not sloshing water all over the place, it's not uneven where, you know, it's gonna spill or anything like that. The emptying little divot that it has right here is really, really nice for emptying out the bucket, so it's not just going all over the place. Another thing that I kind of wish is that the microfiber mop head was maybe a little bit thicker. If you're not too careful, like you can set it down to where the plastic does hit your floor. I did do that on accident a couple of times, but if you just, you know what I mean, take your time a little bit more than I did, it's not bad. I did my floor in about 30 minutes, which I showed you is a lot of real estate, a lot of real estate. There's a lot of icky parts, like I said, from Kea, her laying down area and her food area, and then of course I do have a 8-month-old who eats at a high chair, so there's always ickies and stickies around that. So overall I highly recommend it. It was, I believe, $29.99 on Amazon, which I know sounds really expensive for a mop and bucket, but I feel like investing in the cleanliness of my house is really important to me, and I already wasted so much money with the spray mop that just didn't do justice for how big my bottom floor is. So I was more than willing to pay the $29.99 for this. And it's gonna last. You do have to buy replacements whenever you deem fit, which they also sell on Amazon. Obviously, everything is going to be linked down below. Missy's channel, please go subscribe if you're not already. I'm gonna link the cleaner that I use, the Pledge, as well as this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy cleaning videos, please let me know because I do it every day. And why not share tips and tricks with you guys. I enjoy watching cleaning videos, so if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new, hello and welcome. My name is Brittany Cocco. You are watching the Cocco channel. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye!